Look what finally arrived. This here is the March 2026 Allure Beauty Box. And I must say, she is very heavy this month. Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to the March unboxing. I've been subscribed to the Allure box for, I don't know, I want to say 4 or 5 years now. And you get a better deal, in my opinion, if you pay for 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or a year at a time. I personally only pay $23 a month because I do a lump payment. If you go month to month, I think the price went up to like $30. Okay, so this subscription comes with a booklet. You are guaranteed to get at least 3 full-size products. Also, for the past year plus 4 months, we've been able to select either a shade or a product or even a scent. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in. What do we have for product number 1? This is from Lumē, and it's the Clinical Strength Sweat Control. Yay for a deodorant being stick and not aerosol. Seems like all the deodorants we get in boxes are aerosols. Okay. Oh, it surprised me. For some reason, Lumē, isn't it that brand where it's like doesn't have aluminum, or I don't know, it's like that special, if it were food, it would be vegan kind of a brand. I assumed it would not smell good. This smells like normal deodorant. Not quite as coconutty or floral, but it doesn't smell bad. All right, moving on to the next product. And this is why the box weighs so much. What are you? So this is from a brand called Meltaway, or is that the product? Maybe the brand is Wakse, and this is the Meltaway. Ooh, I see guava butter, face and body. Wait, what? For me, if something's good for the body, it usually is too thick and isn't good for the face. If it's good for the face, it's usually pricey, so why you want to waste it on your whole body? Let me take a look at the booklet so I stop speculating. Okay, so Wakse is the brand, and this is a, okay. Now I understand why it can be for the face and body. This is a scented hair removal product. Well, that is okay. I guess I can try it on my face. This body, no. What does it smell like? I don't know. Is that guava? It's leaning towards, it's hair removal product and a little bit of grapefruit. But maybe guava kind of smells a little leaning towards grapefruit. I'm not a fan of grapefruit. What does that retail for? $20. Let's move along to the next product. This here is from Blossom Essentials, and it's a hydration oil. What are you? So it has maracuja and golden jojoba. I didn't know jojoba had a golden variety. I have a feeling this box I'm going to need my booklet more than normal. What are you? Hydration oil. Okay, so this is a face elixir. Put it on your face immediately after washing it. And it recommends that your skin be a little damp. It says your skin will be instantly, noticeably luminous. It retails for $34. Okay, I'm not one to use face oils, but maybe I'll give it a try. All right, what am I smelling? Something is lingering. Is it this? Oh, yeah. Okay. Next up. Ooh, yay. This was the product where we got to select our shade. This is from Rose Inc., and it's the Blush Divine. I picked out the shade Hydrangea. This packaging does not open all the way up, which, boo. It does come with a mirror, and that is the shade Hydrangea. Oh, okay. It is like a balm cream. Let's see if it's like a cream to powder. That is really pretty. It's a lot softer Not that this one here, who goes ham with blush, needs to be worried about that. So when I try it on, I'll have to see how buildable it is. The blush retails for $32. In hindsight, I'm kind of wishing I picked a darker shade because I wasn't aware of how soft it is. But that will be a good, or I'm assuming it will be a good, running out the door, late to work, don't have time to fuss with something. And those products are always good to have in your collection. All right, what else is in this box? I feel a, what do you call these? Foil pack. What are you? Carotene. And it's a calming water pad. What? I told you. I had a feeling this box, I'm going to need to reference the booklet way more than usual. All right, so what the heck is a calming water pad? Oh, okay, I see a word that I like. It says, toners aren't what they used to be 10 or 20 years ago. Gone are the days of harsh alcohol-based treatments that strip the skin. Okay, so it says, after cleansing, place sheets directly onto cheeks or forehead, leave on 5 to 10 minutes. So, wait, what? Basically, it's a face mask, but has toner instead of serum. Why don't they just say that? Okay, so it retails for $19 where you get 60 pads, and then we're going to get 2 pads to test out. I am a lazy girl. I mean, I'll try these, but in general, I'm too lazy for face masks. Every now and again, I'll do the under eye mask, but yeah. All right, what is this? Also has a little heft to it. This is from Alchemist, and it's the Soothing Hand Cream. Okay. Their packaging looks like this for just about everything. So I didn't know. Is this a serum? Is it a face cream? No, today we have a hand cream. And if you've never tried products from this brand, they have the old school apothecary kind of packaging where it's a metal tube and then you have to actually poke the top. Since it's not opened, I'm going to hold off because I have several hand creams going at the moment. And because it's metal, ooh, that is cooling, which I never thought about. That might be a good thing. Just grab your Grown Alchemy product and stick it under your eyes if you are, looking a little puffy. Is that everything? Oh no, we got one more product. All right, what are you? This is from a brand called True Skin, and it's a sculpting lip liner. Okay, it looks like it's in the shade Mulberry. I was going to say a red. To me, anything darker than a soft pink is red. I kid, but not really. All right, let's, ooh, it's very, very fine tipped. I'm not a lip liner girl, so let me know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, that is not as red as I was jokingly calling it. It is a very berry type of a shade. Now I'm excited because now we have 2 products to test out in this month's sub-box try-on. All right, let's recap everything I got in the March 2026 Allure Beauty Box. We got a sample of the Carotene Calming Water Pad, a sample of the Lumē Sweat Control Deodorant, the Wakse Scented Hair Removal Cream, a Sculpted Lip Liner from True Skin, a Hydration Oil from Blossom Essentials, a Soothing Hand Cream from Grown Alchemist, and the Cream Blush Refillable Cheek and Lip Color from Rose Inc. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this was a decent box. First off, I'm just now noticing we got 7 products and 5 of the 7 are full size. They claim or guarantee 3 will be full size, and many months we'll get 6 products, 3 full size, 3 sample. 5 full size products, that is fantastic. Especially if you get a discount like I get, $23, that's pretty darn good. Now, hair removal, not for me. It is very, very strongly scented, and not scented like, that smells good. No, whatever the chemical stuff is, it's lingering. I literally opened the bottle just to take a sniff, closed that bottle as you saw, my room, I can still smell it, and she don't smell good. So that product, nah. I personally am not into face oils, but I will give this a try. I'm very curious because they say to use it first. I always thought you put face oils on last, but we will see. Maybe I've been missing out and will really enjoy it. This one, I'm intrigued just because I love toners. If they didn't say it had to sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, that's where they throw me. If it's like a normal toner where you just whip it on and you're done, lazy girl in me might enjoy a pre-soaked pad, but having to let it sit on the face, that's where I will give it a try. For once, we get a stick deodorant, and I'm noticing it says soft powder. Powder is the scent I normally get, or some form of that. Okay, very bougie, very pricey. This one hand cream at $34 paid for the entire box. And if you only like the blush out of all the products, this also paid for the box at $32. The lip liner at $26 paid for my box and almost paid for the box as well. So from a price standpoint, this month, we got our money's worth. But now I want to hear from you. Do you also get the box? If so, what did you think of this month's box? If you don't yet get the box, but you've been eyeing it, I do have a friend referral code down in my description, which will save you, I think, $10. If you don't use my code, use somebody's code to save yourself some money. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.